Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a product in Stripe so that you can go on and share a payment link so you can take payments for your products, services, events, etc. Okay, so you're going to come into Stripe, and what you want to do is you want to come into your product catalog. Now, if you've already got products, they will be here. If you haven't, click on add a new product or create a product in the top right-hand corner. Then you need to give the product a name. So whether that's a one-to-one, whether that's an event. So I'm just going to call it test example. Then you can add a description. So it says here, this appears on the checkout page. So if you're using your checkout page a bit like a sales page, you can put a nice little description here. So this is an example of a product on Stripe. Then you can upload an image. So if you've got a promotional image for it, I'm just going to upload a photo of me just to show you what it looks like. So that will upload. You can click on more options. You've got more options there. So if you want to add your tax in and get all your tax set up, you can do all of that. Then you just want to come to one-off. If it's a one-off product, click on 97. You can click there. You can see you've got more pricing options, whether or not it's a flat rate, package price, and whatever. But you just want to do a one-off flat rate, and then you can change your product, your currency, if you want to change your currency. Click on next, and then you can see that that's all come up, and you can click on add product, and that product will now be created. So I've got a test example product there. The pricing is £97. Then what you want to do to create that payment link is to come down into payments, down here on the left-hand side, click on payment links and put on create a payment link. Again, if you've already got payment links there, you'll just click on new. So click on create a payment link, and then you choose your product. So you click on 97. This is going to create your checkout page. So this is what it's going to look like. So you can let the clients adjust the quality. So again, if you're doing an event or something like that and they need to buy one or more tickets, you can adjust that. You can collect customers' addresses. So if you need to have their address for something, so you can collect their addresses, their shipping addresses, and you can require customers to provide a telephone number if you want to as well. Again, you have got more advanced options, but you want to just keep it as simple as possible. And then you've got after payment here on the left-hand side. So this will be the page that they see after they have paid for the product. So it will just say, thank you for your payment. A payment will appear on your statement. So that is how you set that up. Then you just click on create link. And what Stripe will do here is give you a URL. So you can copy that link. So just click on that little clipboard, copy that link. And if I go into here, I can pop it into my browser. And you can see that mine has opened up, got my the name of the product, price, the description. So you can see here how descriptive you can actually be. And then all of the information here. So that is how easy it is to set up a product and a product link. Drop me a follow for more hints and tips.